this bass line, we are going to use the A minor arpeggio, which goes like this. You have the root, then you have the flat third, perfect fifth, and the flat seven. We are going to start just playing this. It is the arpeggio in order, just playing twice each note of the arpeggio. Then we are going to leave a rest, and after that we are going to play this. Here we are playing the octave of the flat third, the octave of the root, and the flat seven. After that we leave another rest and we are going to play this. Notice that here we are adding an extra note, which is the D. The D would be the perfect 4 of A. And we are using that note for achieving like a minor pentatonic vibe. Remember that if you take the minor 7 arpeggio and you add a perfect 4, you obtain the minor pentatonic scale. And we also use that D, that perfect 4, as a passing note for approaching the G. Because if we look at the chord chart, we have one bar and the next half of the bar for A minor 7. And then the last 2 beats of the second bar we have G major. In G major we are going to use the G major arpeggio, which goes the root, G, major third, B, and perfect fifth, D. And for this bass line we are just going to use the root and the perfect fifth. We make a tiny rest and then, so up to here we have then we go all over again, and finally we are going to repeat this phrase, but instead of doing this we are going to play here and we are going to play this. Again, this has a very clear minor pentatonic vibe, and it works mainly as a feel for finishing the bass line and starting all over. So the whole bass line goes like this.